When we talk about adding value, we know there's certain things we can do that almost every single time get us a great ROI or return on investment for our money. When we talk about how much money we're going to invest in the renovation and how much money we're going to get back, there's things that we can do. We go down our checklist. We can go down our top 5 value-added renovations checklist. Now, it's a very cool day today because we have a property that we're actually going to execute a flip to yourself strategy, and I thought I would bring you along so you can see how we go through the checklist, how I would actually walk through a property and produce more value than the money I invest in the renovation. So let's recap our top 5 value-added renovation list. Okay, number 5, we've got flooring and paint. So when I walk in, the first thing I want to look at is how can I add value with flooring and with paint. Number 4 is going to be door hardware and light fixtures. So I'm going to look at all the door hardware and light fixtures, and I want some really ugly stuff because I know that's a great place for me to add a lot of value with a very little bit investment. Then we're going to look at the bathrooms, what condition the bathroom's in, and how can we add value there. We're going to look at the kitchen. What are some simple things we can do in the kitchen to add value? And the number 1 value-added renovation is adding an income suite. So we're not going to look for that here because this property already has an income suite. It's a 4-bedroom up, 1-bedroom down income suite.